Ray here at Ray Chevrolet in Fox Lake, and I'm excited to show you guys our mobile service van. With me is Keith, our fleet and commercial manager. Keith, let's show them what the van can do. Here's a little tour of the interior. Just wanted to show you guys in here, we could perform over 100 different services with this mobile service van, including brakes, change out your tires, a tire rotation, and we could change out your oil, all in front of your home.
Thanks, Ray. We're one of the largest fleet management companies here. We also service multiple fleet management companies such as ARI, Donlin, Wheels, Lease Plan, and Enterprise, and many others.
Thank you, Keith. And being one of the largest fleet and commercial dealers in the United States, we're one of the few that offer a mobile service van as well. So, from not just the sales aspect of it, but from the service aspect of it as well, we can take care of you. So no matter what, whether it's your business, whether it's your personal home, or whether you have a fleet of vehicles, our mobile service van and our mobile service Chevrolet Equinox, which does parts runs, which also will drop off loaners for you. We don't want to inconvenience your day. We can even perform simple recalls at your home or business or fleet. Come see us here in Fox Lake.